it, this is purely on our interest. Like coming to my part, I need to learn about the subsystems and those part. So I started learning it, but I don't have any chance to apply it. So at that time, I got an opportunity from my manager to switch my project, where that other project has a chance to implement my subsystem part and those things. So he's the one who showed me the path there. So I'm very glad. And coming out of my technology part, I was interested in data science. So I got a very good support from our peer associates also, and with from my reporting manager also. Uh, they gave me a POC to work on it, but unfortunately, because of this pandemic situation, and as I moved to multiple projects, I didn't got much time to work on it. But I showcased it up to my level what I had done. So basically, here the completion is not the part, the approach or the process what you are showing or to complete your task. That is the basic thing which we need to. And next, coming to the process and other part like client facing skills, those things. So we had a very good development team here. So I was certified with the BCIC. That helped me a lot in the client facing skills aspect. And coming to the requirement analysis and those things, as we are using the Jira, we have many chances to update it, to work as a scrum master. uh, so all the opportunities I got from my team lead and the reporting manager only. And basically it's our interest how we want to showcase our career.
I was given a CD plan, and so my lead was my mentor. So he knows what I know and what is required for the project. So he has defined all the things required for the career development. So I concentrated on the topics that are currently happening in my project. So I completed them.
I was given topics based on the project itself, but there were few instances where the topics were not relevant because I shifted to a different project. So I communicated the same to my mentor. So that was taken care. However, the initial topics were relevant to my project and enough time was given. Yeah, I received huge help from my colleagues. For instance, I was given vulnerability testing as a topic. So I contacted Amit Parse. He gave me the sufficient material. So, like that, I received help from my mentor as well in preparing the presentation from L&D team also. Like they took we had a trial demo before the actual presentation. So it was really helpful from the other teams as well.
I was tensed at that point of time because I don't know because in next 1 year will I able to learn all these technologies and implement them in different projects? Will I get time, or uh, should I spend extra time, or should I spend night outs for this? Or I got n number of ideas in my mind. I got tensed actually at that point of time, but later uh, I started looking into the CD plan after 1 month. For first 1 month, I didn't look at the plan. So after 1 month, I started looking into the plan. So I thought like I should not look at the plan as a whole. I should go step by step so that it will help me to achieve all the technologies, like to learn all the technologies and implement.
Allocate some time for learning the new technologies. That is the really important thing. Uh, One issue that most of us may face is that it's a long duration. The moment you plan the CD sheet, and once uh, when you are being judged, the process takes around like a half year or 1 year. So in that period, some of the technologies that you're working on may get changed. So that's the place where we need to communicate to our program managers or our mentors, and get the clarification that we want to proceed with the new technologies or with the initial plan that we had done. So in my case, I had taken up some of the DevOps related technologies, but unfortunately, I could not go deeper into that because I was into a different direction by the time I had my assessment. So I decided to go forward with the new technologies that were required in the project and gave importance to them. And I have given importance to the new technologies that I had learned throughout my project in the assessment as well. So I mentioned clearly that these are the technologies that I have worked on. I have expertise now, and during the planning phase, the planning was done for some of the technologies which I could not dive deeper, but I did not leave that out. I tried to should be given to innovation. So for that purpose, I had given some of the incubation ideas and try to work on some of them, even if we don't get enough time to finish the incubation projects. At least we should attempt to give some of the time to the incubation ideas so that the organization will benefit from our learning as well. So yeah, that's my overall experience, and that has been really good. And I had a lot of help from the program manager basically and my mentor.